Hi, I'm Simran, and this is my home alarm system. My goal was to make a whole alarm system. When an object or person would come close to the sensor within a distance, the LED light should go off, and a message should appear on the computer. Design. I used LED lights, a resistor, and an ultrasonic sensor, and some wires to make the design. Program. Import libraries in the first part. The first line of code tells the code that whenever GPI shows, it means RPI GPO. Variables. Second part of the code shows what the number the LED light is wired to. The third part shows when input and output is. Fourth part shows that if something is within a certain distance, the LED light should blink, and about how long it should turn off when blinking. Rethink. Problems. One thing that was difficult for me was the wiring. Another thing that was difficult for me was writing the code to make the LED lights blink. Writing the code to make a message appear on the screen was also kind of difficult for me. This is the sensor. The LED lights are going off, and the message someone is approaching is appearing on the screen.
Okay, can you tell us again what's the distance? What's the distance for it to trigger?
It's about 20, I think.
20 centimeters?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it just turns on, right?
The sensor is always on. It's always sending sine waves, and when it receives the sine waves back, that's when it knows like that that someone is within the distance of 20 centimeters.
Okay. Does anyone have any more questions? All right, let's give a round of applause.